Active Park Assist is part of the driver's assistance pack and will search for and park the vehicle in spaces when activated. The system is able to complete reverse and parallel parking. To activate, press the parking button to the right of the volume control, then slowly drive forward. When the car has found a suitable parking space, it will highlight the space on the screen and show the direction the car will take to park. To park, follow the on-screen guidance and stop, depress the brake and press start on the screen. During the maneuver, the vehicle will control steering, acceleration, and braking. You do not need to do anything, but still remain alert and ready to take control at all times. You can stop at any time by pressing the brake pedal. Once parked, you will hear an audible tone, and the vehicle will apply the parking brake. When parallel parking, the Active Park Assist is also able to drive you out of the parking bay when ready. To activate this, once again press the parking button to the right of the volume control, and when ready, indicate in the direction you wish to exit the bay.